Mirages are the most common in deserts, in which the desert ahead giving the feeling of presence of lake. Mirage is an optical illusion caused by atmospheric conditions. During mirage, a part of land giving appearance of lake when the lake really not present there. So let us study now the reason of mirages. During mirage, the light rays appear to be coming from image of the distant object. Formation of mirage can be explained by using the concept of total internal reflection of light. The desert ground is full of sand. The sand continuously absorbs heat from the sun and becomes very hot. The air present near the ground also becomes hot and becomes lighter. The hot and lighter air near the ground goes up, and the cold and denser air present at the upper side of the atmosphere comes near to the ground as shown in animation. The hot air goes up in atmosphere, becomes cold, and cold air comes down to the ground and becomes hot. And the process of hot air to cold air and cold air to hot air keeps on repeating. Thus, upper layer of air becomes denser medium, and the layer of air present below becomes rarer medium. Light travels with different velocities through cold air and hot air. Mirage can occur only if the ground is hot and layer of the air is cold. The temperature of all layers above the ground are not same. The layers which are present near to the ground heated up more compared to the layers in the above atmosphere. Thus, as we go up in the atmosphere, the layers becomes cold and cold as shown here. The first layer is hot, second layer is little cold, third layer is further cold, and next layer is more cold, and so on. The temperature keep on decreasing as we go up in atmosphere. Thus, refractive index of layers keep on increasing as we go up in the upward direction. Thus, as we go up in the atmosphere, the temperature of different layers gradually decreases. The air present near the bottom of tree is more hotter compared to the next layer, and next layer is more hotter compared to third layer, and so on. As we go gradually upward direction of the tree, the layers becomes more colder compared to the bottom layers. Thus, due to variation of temperature, upper layers of air becomes denser medium compared to lower layers of air. Consider ray of light falling on the tree and suffer reflection. As it travels from denser to rarer medium, the refracted ray moves away from normal. But this layer again denser compared to lower layer, therefore after refraction the light moves away from normal. Thus, after multiple refractions at a particular point for an angle greater than critical angle, the light undergoes total internal reflection, and this light after total internal reflection reaches to the observer. The human nature to see the light in the straight line, therefore the image of the object is seen by the observer, hence the mirage. Let us summarize the point. The light from the top layer comes to the down layers, every time it is undergo the refraction, and every time refracted ray moves away from normal, and at a particular point for an angle greater than critical angle, the light suffers total internal reflection, and it is a human nature to see the light in the straight line, hence he see the image of the object. This is the way